got a box in the mail, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on this video today to see what I have to post. But if you couldn't tell already, I got something in the mail that I definitely did not just push out into the hallway and then bring back in for the intro. 4 times. I got this in the mail probably like 2 weeks ago, and it's just been sitting in my living room. I've just been way too busy to find time to open it for you guys to see it on video, to see my reaction, because I am stoked for it. Obviously, I know what it is, but I've actually never seen one in person, so I'm kind of ready to open this up. So yeah, I was supposed to actually get this in like 6 or so months. I ordered it like 3 weeks ago, and it arrived in 4 days, which is absolutely ridiculous. They put this freaking huge box on a plane and shipped it to me, as you can see. So got the air thing right there. They were literally like, yeah, so we're gonna ship over the tracking number when it's ready to go. And I'm like, okay, sweet, expecting it to be like 6 months because the part is a rare JDM part. It's not really rare, it's just kind of hard to get, which I guess you can classify that as rare, but like you could still buy it online and get it within, you know, the year, I guess you can say. So it's not like rare or limited, but it's just really hard to get and it's pretty expensive. This is the first major part for the Lexus, if you couldn't guess that. No, to all the people that were messaging me, I did not order like 6 Gretty lifts. Come on now. But this one part cost nearly as much as that. My front bumper quite literally looks like it got shot up by a BB gun. One of my friends told me to full send it, and here we are. So, without further ado, finally open it, and then I'm also gonna install it onto the car. It's unpainted right now, so obviously I'm not gonna keep it on there until I figure out if I'm gonna be painting the car fully or wrapping it or whatever I end up doing. Too impatient, I'm not gonna wait to that point. I'm actually just gonna unbox it now instead. Wow. Without further ado, I got a Vertex front bumper. It's the S Endurance model. It's for my IS300, obviously. So the second I got this Lexus, when I realized that the bumper was messed up, I'm like, sweet, so I'm just gonna throw this bumper on anyways. Doesn't really matter. So that's why when I bought it for 4,800 bucks, I didn't really care that the front end was already messed up, because I knew I was gonna be doing this. Jeez, look at that. Jeez. Oh, wow. This bumper is gonna look so good. Look at that. You got the canards on the inside. But wow. Don't buy Duraflex parts. That's the only rep they have of this, and Duraflex is the biggest hunk of shit ever. I don't know what this is, but no, let me open this up. Alright, so I'm not really sure what this is, and it came in the box. It says virus off, so I'm assuming it has to do with, I'm guessing COVID. I guess we can just open this up and see what's in here. We got a picture of a toilet. Vertex sells their own, like, cleaner, like hand sanitizer cleaner stuff. So I think the canard goes something like that. Damn. Dude, that's gonna look so good. That's gonna look so good. I'm freaking stoked. Now you're probably wondering, did you just get the bumper? Yes. I'm actually wanting to get a set of Vertex side skirts, but I just want to wait a little bit until I know what I'm doing with the car fully, because I knew I was gonna get this for sure. And I'm pretty sure I want Vertex side skirts, but I'm not 100% sure. No, this bumper looks good. I'll get some cinematics and just put them right here. Actually, no. Right here. Okay. Yeah, so that's what she looks like. It's looking so good. This is such a dream come true. I know it's just a bumper. It's like not really the end of the world or anything like that, but for me, I'm pretty stoked. I'm pretty stoked to actually throw rare parts on this car. This car's, you know, been a dream of mine for a while, and especially with the parts that I have in mind. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, dude, you're just gonna break it like all your Gretty lifts. So, no, little sneak peek, but I'm probably not gonna be on a set of coilovers with this car because, well, I don't want to destroy this $1,000 bumper. I think that would be very asinine, and I'm not gonna do that. So for all you guys who are gonna watch the, you know, building my Lexus in 20 minutes in 5 years time, yeah, no, it won't be filled with breaking $1,000 bumpers, I promise you. But anyways, so time to get this outside to my garage and then install it on the Lexus. I'm actually gonna do this tomorrow instead of today because it's getting dark out. So I'll see you in the morning. You already know what's about to happen. Ooh, much better. All right, we are gonna be installing that on there. That was sick. I know you guys like that little effect. I did it on the last video too. I'm probably not gonna get away with doing it anymore, but I'm probably gonna still keep doing it. Yee, I'm excited. All right. Okay, anyways. Yeah, time to install it, so. I'm gonna go ahead, take that off. There's a bolt back here that's holding the bumper, and then there's a bolt back here holding the bumper, and I don't think there's anything underneath the headlight, if I remember correctly. Really not too difficult. You guys seen it, so I'm just gonna do it on a time lapse. Yeah, so I'm not sure why it's not fitting. My assumption is this crash bar probably has to come off. I mean, it seems like it would fit in between here, and it does, but it doesn't really go all the way. I feel like it's hitting like right here or something. Not even for a YouTube thumbnail. Holy sh! Look at this! Wow! Wow! I gotta. Like, it fits perfect. Well, but like, oh my gosh! Also, the white actually looks really good in a weird way. Should I wrap this car white? Alright, so I'm gonna have to like take this down the street or something because this looks so good. I need to get some pictures. The sun sets in like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna try and bolt this up as quick as I can and then just drive it down the street and grab some pictures real quick. But holy crap, this looks good, and it really works well with the blue for some reason. I absolutely love that I just bolted up. Okay, that's broken. I just bolted up a $1,000 bumper with 4 zip ties. Vertex, if you're watching this, I apologize. I'm just trying to take it down the street to get some photos. I'm sorry. I promise I'll bolt it up correctly. I'm gonna take it out, and then, why do I keep going like this? I'm gonna take it out and then head over to, I think, a shopping center just right down the street, and then get some photos, show you how it looks, because I'm stoked. I am so paranoid right now about scraping, it's ridiculous. And I'm stock height, like I feel like I'm just gonna scrape and break it, but like, I know I'm not going to, but I'm kind of scared. Also, that blue light though, jeez. All right, the moment you've all been waiting for. Holy crap, this looks so good. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna throw some cinematics in here and then I'll show you guys after. So what do you guys think? Holy shit, I just want to cuss so much, but oh my god. Like, that looks so considerably better. That's actually ridiculous. And I'm surprised, again, how low it actually sits. That's, I mean, that's what, 7 fingers? I mean, I don't have 7 fingers, but I'm guessing about 7 fingers. This bumper looks so good. I was talking to my friend Nick earlier, and he was saying it kind of looked OEM Plus almost. All right, I'm FaceTiming my friend. I want to get her reaction.
What's up, bro?
Good morning. Okay, this is totally random, and I want to put this in the vlog, but I have the bumper on right now, and I want to get your reaction.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Oh, bro, that looks so good.
Dude, it looks so good, right?
Dude, babe, do you want to see?
Hello.
Dude, that's hot.
That looks so good. I will let you go. I know you're working out.
Okay.
But thank you.
Bye.
Bye. All right, well, she definitely liked it, but oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna get into the car. It is so cold out here. Dude, guys, I hope you like it. Like, for real, this mod, I did not expect to like it as much as I did. Like, when I got the bumper in, obviously I was hyped, and when I was unboxing it, I was hyped. And then when I put it up next to the car, I got even more hype. And then I put it on the car and I got extremely hyped. Been a dream part of mine. For those who are wondering, yes, I want the rest of the kit. Right now I'm looking for Vertex side skirts, like authentic ones. So if you know anyone, reach out to me. Anyways, yeah, let me know down below what I should do next to the car in terms of the color, in terms of wheels. Well, I already got wheels, but I got those the day after I bought the car. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching. Sorry the lighting's so poor. I'm gonna get better at this, I promise. I hope my energy is coming through a lot more clear now. I'm becoming a little bit more confident in terms of vlogging, because before I would just be like all the way down here and I'd be like whispering if there was anyone within a half-mile radius of me. But I'm getting better. I'm trying to, at least. I appreciate all the comments, of course. The channel's blowing up. I think I've said this in every single video that I've recorded from this point. But the channel is like growing exponentially. Yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. I appreciate you guys for watching, taking time out of your day. But yeah, anyways, peace, guys. Also, take a shot every single time I say anyways. See you guys.